it makes an angle with the y-axis 70 degree. Now, as I told you in the very first class, h is equal to f cos theta and v is equal to f sin theta here. Now, as I told you here, h is equal to f sin theta because the angle makes an the force makes an angle with the y-axis. V is equal to f cos theta, vice versa, ulta of this. Now, first horizontal component of first force is equal to f cos theta. What is the force here? 50 kilonewton of cos theta cos 30 degree, and vertical component of first force is equal to f sin theta is equal to 15 sin 30 degree. This is about the first force. Second one is h is equal to f sin theta. F is equal to, here in the second force, f is equal to 55 sin 70 degree, and f is equal, vertical component is equal to f cos theta, that is 55 cos 70 degree. We can this we can solve with this one and get the answers. The difference between the previous problem and this problem is, the first problem only we resolved one force, that too the angle was made with the x-axis, and the second problem we have two forces, one is with the x-axis and another is with the y-axis. As I told you, there is a vice versa of a relation, f cos theta here when it is with the x-axis, f is equal to h is equal to f sin theta when it is with the y-axis. Now, let us consider the coordinate system. X-axis and y-axis, four different forces, F1, F2, F3, F4. Resolve the forces. This is upward, this is the right side, this is downward, right side. Third quadrant, left side, down, L, R, this is a down, up, right, and up, left. As I told you in the slide, up means positive, right side positive, down negative, and left side negative. Now, in the first quadrant, both vertical and horizontal component will be positive, positive. Second one, this will be right side will be positive and downward will be negative, left side will be negative and down will be negative, left will be negative and up will be positive. So, these are the sign conventions we should observe carefully while solving the problem, as I told you in the slide portion. This is a very important point. solve the problem where the force act in different quadrants. First force in the first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant. 160 Newton making an angle of 30 degree, 180 Newton making an angle of 45 degree, third one 80 Newton making an angle with 60 degree, and the third one is 200 Newton making an angle of 30 degree with the x-axis. You can observe here all the angles made by the forces with respect to x-axis. As I told you, when it is with the x-axis, angle with the x-axis, h is equal to f cos theta and v is equal to f sin theta, and sin conventions also we have to remember. And when it is with the y-axis, theta is with the y-axis, h is equal to f sin theta, v is equal to f cos theta. Sign conventions, both positive here, positive, negative, that we'll learn in the later while you're solving the problem. Now let us resolve the forces. First one, 160 Newton, resolve the force, okay, vertical, horizontal, resolve the force, down, right, horizontal, vertical, left, down, horizontal, vertical, left, up, horizontal, vertical. Since all the forces are with the x-axis, we will follow this relation, h is equal to f cos theta and v is equal to f sin theta. Now let us calculate the summation or the sum of the horizontal components, sigma h is equal to. Now what is sign of this? This is a right, as I told you, right is a positive here, so sigma h is equal to, what is the force? 1 f cos f1 cos theta 1, f2 cos theta 2 plus f3 cos theta 3 and f4 cos theta 4. Our first one is here. Since it is a right side, positive, h force of 160 cos 30 degree. Come to the second force, horizontal component, it is right, positive. The answer, this one is f2 is 180, theta is cos 45 degree. Here, observe here, the horizontal component is towards left. Take negative, as I told you, negative, left side is negative. The force is 80 Newton of cos 60, and f4, again it is a left side, minus force f4 is 200 Newton cos 30 degree. Solving this, we get the answer 52.64 Newton. So this is how we have to calculate the horizontal components in in this problem. As I'll repeat once again, four forces F1, F2, F3, F4 with theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. F1 is 160, theta 1 is 30 degree, F2 is 180, theta 2 is 45 degree, F3 is 80 Newton and theta 3 is 60 degree, and F4 is 200 Newton and theta 4 is